Okay, now say no, Spencer Burns. That's not mine. Say Merry Christmas, you guys. What? Not really. Say Merry Christmas. Boo. Merry Christmas. Why is Boo the only one that wants to say Merry Christmas to the guys back in whatever? Hey, Gabby. Whoa, whose bag is that? Hey, you guys, say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
To the people in Las Vegas.
Yeah, to the people in Las Vegas.
We've been doing this since last night in the car.
No. That was the first video.
I see you don't have our time.
Who's it from? You guys say Merry Christmas to the girls. Hi, girls.
Okay, ready? Hey, Mommy, that's for me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's for me.
Oh.
Ready, Lilia?
Daddy, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, sorry, I cut off your face. Say Merry Christmas.